Imagine a family in Sweden living a comfortable life without overspending. They enjoy small treats, save money, and plan for the future, all without feeling deprived. How do they do it? The secret lies in a Swedish way of life that balances simplicity and smart financial habits. Swedes have a unique approach to money management rooted in their culture of moderation, sustainability, and planning ahead. They focus on saving for what truly matters and avoid unnecessary expenses. This mindset helps them stay financially secure while still enjoying life. In this video, we'll explore how you can learn from the Swedish way of saving money for better money management. You'll discover strategies that can help you manage your finances better. Get ready to unlock the Swedish secret to smarter money management and live a more balanced financial life. Number 1. A culture rooted in Lagom. Just enough. In Sweden, there's a word that guides how people live, Lagom. It means just enough or not too much, not too little. It's about finding balance in everything, including money. This idea has shaped Swedish culture for centuries and plays a big role in how Swedes manage their finances. Lagom teaches people to avoid excess. Instead of chasing luxury or buying things they don't need, Swedes focus on getting what is practical and useful. This mindset helps them save money while still enjoying a good quality of life. For example, they might choose a smaller home that fits their needs instead of a bigger, more expensive one. Historically, Sweden's harsh winters and limited resources taught people to share and be mindful of waste. This sense of moderation and community has lasted into modern times. Today, Lagom influences everything from how Swedes shop to how they save for the future. For personal finances, Lagom means setting realistic budgets and spending only on what truly matters. It's about prioritizing needs over wants and finding happiness in simple pleasures. Swedes often say no to impulsive purchases, preferring to save for experiences or long-term goals. Adopting a Lagom mindset can help anyone take control of their money. By living with just enough, you can avoid stress, save more, and enjoy life without overdoing it. It's a simple, balanced way to manage your finances wisely. Number 2. The Dala Horse economy. Crafting value from tradition. The Dala Horse, a brightly painted wooden figure, is one of Sweden's most famous symbols. But it's more than just a decoration. It represents Sweden's tradition of turning handmade crafts into value. This practice, rooted in history, shows how creativity and resourcefulness can save money and even create income. The Dala Horse began as a simple children's toy in rural villages, carved from leftover wood. Over time, it became a source of income for families as they sold their colorful creations to travelers. Today, it's a global symbol of Swedish craftsmanship. Swedes still embrace this tradition by making and selling handmade goods, from knitwear to pottery. They also value practical crafting, like sewing or woodworking, to save on household costs. The Dala Horse teaches us that skills and creativity can turn simple materials into something valuable. Whether it's a side hustle or a money-saving hobby, crafting pays off. Number 3. The Midnight Sun economy. How Sweden's seasons shape spending. Sweden's seasons are extreme, long, bright summers and dark, freezing winters. These seasonal changes have shaped how Swedes spend and save money. They adjust their habits to match the time of year, making the most of what each season offers. In summer, when the sun barely sets, Swedes embrace the outdoors. They save money by enjoying free activities like hiking, swimming, and camping. Picnics in nature replace costly dinners out, and home gardens flourish with fresh, affordable produce. Winter, with its short, dark days, brings a focus on cozy, indoor living. Swedes reduce spending by cooking hearty meals at home and practicing mice, or cozy evenings with family, instead of expensive outings. Energy-efficient homes and shared heating systems keep utility bills low. By adapting to the seasons, Swedes save money while living in harmony with nature. This seasonal mindset can inspire anyone to plan smarter and spend less throughout the year. Number 4. The Swedish housing and investment approach. Swedes are known for their careful approach to housing and investments. They believe in living within their means, which helps them stay financially stable. Let's look at how their housing choices and investment strategies can inspire better money management. Housing practices. Simplicity over show. In Sweden, most people don't try to impress others with large, expensive homes. Instead, they focus on practical, affordable housing. Many live in cooperative housing, where residents share maintenance costs, keeping expenses low. Even those who buy homes often prioritize smaller, energy-efficient houses to save money on utilities. Swedes also prefer modest mortgages. They avoid overextending themselves by borrowing only what they can afford to pay back comfortably. This habit allows them to save more for other priorities, like retirement or emergencies. Long-term financial planning. Pensions. Sweden has one of the most robust pension systems in the world. People are encouraged to save for retirement early, contributing to both government and private pension plans. This ensures they have a secure financial future without relying entirely on the state. Smart investment strategies. Swedes are known for being cautious, but steady investors. They prefer diversified investments, such as index funds and government bonds. These options grow wealth slowly and reliably over time, without taking big risks. Real estate is also a popular choice, but only when it fits their budget. From housing to investing, Swedes focus on living modestly and planning ahead. By choosing affordable homes and steady investments, they free up money for savings and security. Adopting these habits can help anyone build a stable financial future without unnecessary stress. Swedes prove that slow, thoughtful decisions lead to lasting financial success. Number 5. Sweden's green gold. How hydropower and renewable energy inspire frugal living. Sweden is a global leader in renewable energy, with hydropower often called its green gold. For decades, Sweden has harnessed rivers to generate electricity, providing clean, affordable energy to homes and businesses. This focus on renewable resources shapes the Swedish way of life, inspiring frugal and sustainable habits. Swedes use energy wisely. Homes are built with high insulation to reduce heating costs, and smart thermostats help manage electricity use. Public transportation, powered by renewable energy, is affordable and widely used. Many families also invest in solar panels or energy-efficient appliances, which save money in the long run. This sustainable approach goes beyond saving energy. It's about valuing resources. Swedes teach us that small changes, like switching to LED lights or biking instead of driving, can save both money and the environment. Ditch the car, embrace cycling. In many Swedish cities, people use bikes instead of cars. This not only reduces their carbon footprint but also saves on fuel, insurance, and maintenance costs. Public transportation is another affordable and eco-friendly option widely used in Sweden. By living sustainably, Swedes spend less while making smarter, greener choices. By following Sweden's example, we can live greener and smarter, creating a more sustainable future for all and adopt eco-friendly habits. The result? More money in your pocket and a cleaner planet to live on. Number 6. The Ingvar Kamprad effect. Frugal ingenuity from IKEA's founder. Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, built one of the world's largest furniture companies on a simple idea: quality and affordability can go hand in hand. His personal frugality and creative problem-solving shaped IKEA's success and reflect key Swedish money-saving habits. Kamprad was known for flying economy class, driving an old car, and avoiding unnecessary luxuries, even as a billionaire. His belief in simplicity extended to IKEA's designs. By creating flat-pack furniture that customers assemble themselves, he cut production and shipping costs, making products affordable for everyone. IKEA's philosophy shows how thinking creatively about costs can lead to big savings. Kamprad's approach shows that frugality isn't about sacrificing quality. It's about finding smart, efficient ways to meet needs. Whether it's assembling your own furniture or finding cost-effective solutions in your daily life, the Ingvar Kamprad effect proves that ingenuity and frugality can create long-lasting value. Number 7. Jantelagen and financial humility. In Sweden, there's an idea called Jantelagen, which means the law of Janti. It's not a real law, but a cultural mindset about staying humble and avoiding the need to show off. This idea plays a big role in how Swedes think about money. Swedes believe that wealth should be private, not flashy. Instead of buying expensive cars or designer clothes to impress others, they focus on living a comfortable but modest life. Jantelagen reminds people that happiness doesn't come from showing off material things but from a balanced, simple lifestyle. This mindset helps Swedes avoid the habit of overspending to match others. By rejecting this pressure, they can save more money and invest in things that truly matter, like education, retirement, or experiences with loved ones. Another benefit of financial humility is reduced stress. When you stop comparing yourself to others, you feel more in control of your finances and less worried about appearances. Adopt this Swedish habit by focusing on your own financial goals, not what others are doing. Avoid unnecessary spending to keep up, and instead, prioritize saving and long-term security. Embracing financial humility can lead to greater peace of mind and lasting financial success. Number 8. Adapting Swedish financial habits globally. Swedish financial habits may seem tied to their culture, but the good news is anyone can apply them anywhere in the world. By focusing on balance, sustainability, and long-term planning, you can create a stronger financial foundation, no matter where you live. The Swedish idea of just enough is a great place to begin. Create a budget that covers your needs and allows for small treats, but avoid overspending on things you don't really need. For example, prioritize essentials like housing, food, and savings over luxury items. Swedish habits like repairing items and reducing waste can save money while benefiting the environment. Look for ways to cut utility costs, use public transportation, or choose reusable products instead of single-use items. Swedes are known for planning ahead, especially when it comes to retirement and investments. No matter your income level, start saving for the future today. Even small contributions to a retirement fund or investment account can grow over time. Adopting Swedish financial humility means ignoring the urge to show off wealth or match others' lifestyles. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your financial wins, no matter how small they may seem. By learning from Swedish habits, you can build a healthier relationship with money. These principles can work in any culture, helping you create financial security and enjoy a simpler, more meaningful life. The Swedish way of managing money teaches us valuable lessons: balance, sustainability, and planning for the future. By embracing concepts, you can create a healthier financial life. Swedes show that financial success isn't about earning the most or spending lavishly. It's about making smart, thoughtful choices. Start by adopting any of these practices. You can transform your money management, and it leads to a happier, more secure life. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.